I was born in Douglas, Arizona, a small town on the U.S.-Mexico border. My grandfather's house, where my mother grew up and I've lived before, sits one block from the U.S.-Mexico border. Growing up, I knew about border issues, I knew about immigration issues, because that's what I've lived. You know, now it's a very hot topic, but for something, for millions of people, but for me it's just been a way of life since as long as I can remember. My mother was born in the Mexican town of Agua Sonora, Mexico. Literally less than a mile from where I was born in the Douglas Hospital, but because she was born on that side of the line, she was born a Mexican citizen, and I was born a U.S. citizen. For the longest time, my biggest passion and reason for living in life, besides my family, was baseball. That's all I cared about, and that's all I loved, and it's still something I'm very passionate about to this day. In fact, I was playing baseball at Cochise Community College when we would come back from night games across the state and arrive back in Douglas at 3, 4 a.m., 2 a.m., and we would see hundreds of migrants being detained by the Border Patrol. Now this was really a time in Arizona, the late 90s, where a lot of people were coming through Arizona after having been stopped coming through California and Texas. And one day, for whatever reason, I was having a bad round of batting practice, and I started thinking to myself, why am I so concerned about this game when there's people who are coming across the border who could quite literally be my relatives, and I'm not doing anything about it. You know, I'm too busy to stop when I see them on the side of the road when it's freezing cold outside and wearing nothing but a t-shirt. It's not my problem. But I decided at that point, maybe I should go finish my degree, go on to law school, and see if I could do anything to help out with the situation that's occurring on the border. So I did that. Went back to ASU and got my degree in religious studies, then was very thankful to have been accepted into Stanford Law School. I went to Stanford with the understanding that I was going to come back to Arizona because I wanted to go and learn from the best professors in the country, be with the brightest students from Princeton, Harvard, and Yale, and show that I could academically compete and learn everything I could so that I could come back to Arizona and do something for my community. I'm very grateful to have that opportunity today. I love coming to work. I love working on the cases. And I thank you very much for the opportunity to perhaps be your lawyer or be the lawyer for somebody in your family.